He's got a weathered soul and a steady hand. Built his life with grit, not shifting sand. Chrome catches sunrise, boots hit the ground. Knows what's worth chasing and what's worth putting down. There's a quiet confidence behind his smile. Never rushed life, always took the extra mile. A glass of good bourbon when the day's work is done. Thankful for the journey more than what he's won. He don't measure wealth by silver or gold. It's the stories he's lived and the hands he holds. A man, his bike, and his bourbon tonight. Three simple things that make his spirit right. The smooth taste of oak in an old whiskey glass. The rumble of freedom as the miles roll past. His wife's arms wrapped around him, holding on tight. Two hearts chasing sunsets into the fading light. He's found what matters, no need for more. Love in his heart and the open road. He's a man with focus, a man with pride. Keeps his promises and walks beside. His greatest adventure ain't the miles he's known. It's every road they've traveled together back home. The wind tells stories only riders understand, while her fingers lace together across his hands. Every curve they lean through, every mountain they climb, is another memory frozen in time. Some chase fortunes, some chase fame, but they never seem to fill that empty space. He found his riches in a faithful wife, a roaring V-twin, and a well-lived life. Raise a glass to the blessings you've earned, to every lesson the back roads have learned. Because freedom ain't bought, it's a feeling inside, shared with the woman riding close by your side. And his bourbon remain through every sunshine and every rain. The smooth Kentucky pour warms his soul, while two wheels carry him wherever he wants to go. Her arms around his waist, her heart next to his own. Every mile together makes this world feel like home. He's the kind of man they're writing songs about, strong in his faith, never filled with doubt. Treasure isn't what money can buy. It's his wife, his ride, his burden, and this beautiful life. This beautiful life. So here's to the miles and the love they found, to the sweet bourbon burn and that V-twin sound. A simple life, yet richer than another. Just a man, his bike, his bourbon, and the woman he loves forever.